Assalamu alaikum. In this question, we have been asked that x squared plus y squared is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 6. Then we need to find out x plus y. In order to solve such system of equation, we always take the approach that first we gonna name these equation and first we will name this quadratic equation, that is x squared plus y squared is equal to 36, and let it be equation 1. Then comes the linear equation, that is x minus y is equal to 6, and let it name 2. Then we need to find out x plus y. So x plus y is required equation and let it name as equation r. To solve this system of equation, I will use this linear equation, and out of these two variables I will isolate one of the variable. Either I will go for x or y. So here I will choose the one whose coefficient is 1. And here we have both x and y's whose coefficient is 1. So I will go for x as for our convenience. So using this equation I can isolate x. So as x minus y is equal to 6, I am gonna add y on this side and y on this side. So here I am gonna add y on this side and y on this side as well. As a result, this will cancel and I will be only left with x is equal to, writing it in more appropriate way, that is y plus 6. Now I will substitute this value of x is equal to y plus 6 into this first equation. That will leave us with, so this equation 1, so replacing x with y plus 6 squared as x as squared plus y squared is equal to 36. Now we know the identity that a plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, and this a plus b, I will treat this y as this a our first term and this 6 our second term as b. So I will expand this bracket according to this identity. I will come up with y squared plus 6 squared plus 2 times y times 6, then plus this y squared is equal to 36, and then we have y squared, and I will also take this y squared near to this one, so writing it with more like elements, then we have 2 times 6 will give us 12y, then plus 6 are 36 is equal to 36. So this will give us 2 times y squared plus 12y plus 36 is equal to 36, and here I have to take this 36 on this side. As a result, its sign will be reversed, or I can also subtracting 36 from both side ability. So 36 from that side and now 36 from this side. So this will cancel with this one and this will also get cancelled with this one, and I will be only left with 2y squared plus 12y is equal to 0. So I will take 2y common from this side of the equation. So taking 2y common, we will be left with y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the product of two factors, and when product of two factor is equal to 0, at least one of the two must be equal to 0. That is why I can say that either I have 2y is equal to 0 or y plus 6 is equal to 0. This leaves me with y is equal to 0, that is dividing 2 on this side and dividing 2 on this side. This will cancel with this one, and I will come up with y is equal to 0, and this side is I can also y plus 6, so subtracting 6 from both sides and 0 minus 6, so it will give us that this will cancel with this one and y is equal to minus 6. So when y has two values, similarly x will also have two values, and to find those values of x, I will use this equation x is equal to y plus 6. So x is equal to y plus 6. So substituting y is equal to 0 into this equation, so I will get for this y plus 6 is equal to 6. So y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 6. So x has a value of 6 and y has a value of 0. Then comes for this y is equal to minus 6. So I can write it as x and replace this y with this minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 6 when x is equal to 0. So we got two pairs of of x and y, and the required result we know that it is x plus y. So I have to find out x plus y for both of these x and 0 and 0 and minus 6. So for this for this pair it will be 6 plus 0, that is equal to 6, and for this pair it will be 0 minus 6, so it will be equal to minus 6. So we came to know that x plus y has also two possible values, that is this minus 6 and 6. Alright.